Hi guys, it's Nadun here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So just before we head out to the video, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started.
In today's lesson, we will concentrate on the functions such as concatenate and substitute. So concatenate function will join the text, and substitute you can replace one text with another. So let's quickly move on to our example. So in this example, we have region, country, and product category wise sales. So we want to generate item categories for this list. So in developing the item categories, I want to combine the region code, country code, and the product code together. So how I can do that is using the function concatenate. So let's say equal or concatenate open parentheses, and then you can give the reference of region code, country code, and product category. So it will combine the text. So there you have it. So it will combine all the text. The other formula what you can use is and or the let me show you how it's done. So what you can do is you can click on B5 and say and sign, and you can click on C and then say and sign. You can click on D5 and then press enter. So it will generate the same function as previously, the similar to the function of concatenate. So let's say for example you want to add a text to one of these formulas. Then what you need to do is you need to click on the formula and then comma, and then open inverted commas and then say TA, then press enter. So it will add the text to end of the field. So you can do the same for the previous formula as well, and then say and then say TA. And let's learn about substitute. So substitute means replacing one text with another. Let's say we have RUS in our C6 cell. So if you want to replace with EUR, or let's say ING, we will replace with ING. So what we can do is we can say, if you want, we can combine the formulas. Let's say substitute. Let's click substitute, and then let's say I want to gather the formula, combine the formulas first. So I will concatenate similar to previous, and the old text is what I want to replace is RUS. So you open inverted commas and say RUS, close inverted commas, and new text is what you want to replace it with ENG, close inverted commas and close the bracket. So as you could see, it replaces RUS with ENG, and if you drag the formula up, it will not replace any other characters unless otherwise it meets the condition of RUS. Second example, in this example I want to calculate the profit at 20% of sales, and I want to have a narration that is dynamic with the percentage and with the year involved. So let's calculate the profitability first. 20% of the sales value, and the second thing, I want to have a narration. Let's say I want to have narration profit uh, open inverted commas and then say profit, and close inverted commas, let's say profit at, then close inverted commas, and then we will combine with and, let's say 20%. So this will come as a percentage. So what we need to do is we need to multiply by 100 and let's say I want to have percentage sign at the end, then enter. So this will say the profit at 20%. So let's say we want to change it to 30%. So our narration changed so as our numbers, and let's say for this one I want to add the year as well at 30% in year, then I can combine it with this value on C2 year, and then if you want to change 2021 it will change the year as well. So let's look at substitute, another example. In this example I want to replace the dash sign in this one and only get the values. So substitute, open parentheses, and then I want to join these formulas first, and all text what I want to remove is the dash sign, and the new text I don't want to have that dash signage. I just want to remove it and keep it blank. So what you can do is just mention the quotation marks or inverted commas in the formula, so it will consider as blank, or it will say that no text characters are there. So as you could see, you will get only the values.
So if you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment. And by subscribing my channel, you will be helping me to post good content videos, and then encourage me to do more videos and so on. So until I see you next time, have a great day.